This is Judge Anselone. So one of them on your jail list for Ricardo Garcia, he was actually an Old Saver file, not mine.
Okay.
But I am ready for David Walker, James Renner, Alvin Graves, and Jalen Tatum.
Okay, we'll get those going.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Mr. Smith, you want to come up to the podium with your client? All right, Mr. Wolfeis. Mr. Wolfeis. All right. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Stephen Richard Wolfeis, file number 24-21939FH. I have Russell Smith appearing on behalf of Mr. Wolfeis, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So I'm going to hand this down to you. It looks like they didn't do fingerprints on this file. So this is a Tecumseh Police Department case. So there's one we still need fingerprints on. So if you can just reach out to the Tecumseh Police Department and get those taken care of on that file, that would be great.
Okay. Does my client just need to call them and make arrangements?
Just give that to him and
Sure.
he can just call them.
Yes, there was some confusion on that, Judge.
So sometimes when you have 3 or 4 files, they get prints, but not on all of them.
They've done it, but you need to do it on each file. So this hasn't been done. Yeah, it's not a problem.
It's not an issue.
Number of charges that you faced, and you did
Yep.
all but this one. So you need to contact the Tecumseh Police Department, take that form to them, and get your fingerprint stuff. Okay?
Yep. They'll do it either at the Tecumseh Police Department, I think.
You have to do it there.
Okay.
All right, it's just a ministerial thing.
Not a big deal. All right, so Mr. Smith, how would you like to proceed today on behalf of Mr. Wolfeis?
Judge, we did receive a plea agreement from Mr. Sneed in this matter. It did indicate that my client was going to plead guilty. I'm asking Mr. Sneed if he has any objection to a no contest plea in this matter.
I have no objection.
Okay.
Mr. Sneed, did you send to us a copy of the plea agreement? Or is that what you got in front of you?
I have it, Judge.
Do you and your client sign it?
We did. May I approach?
Well, actually, my bail will come get it and let me get a copy of it. And that way it'll help me to take the plea.
That'll be terrific, Judge.
All right.
It's one of the reasons I wanted to appear in person.
Miss Adams, thank you. Can I just get a copy of that? Thank you. All right, give us just a minute to get a copy of that.
What's the original?
I'll give you a copy and I'll keep the original, all right? It's got the signatures on it. All right, and so it's marked no contest now.
Yes.
So looks like the plea agreement is that on file number 24-21734FH. He's going to plead no contest to an added count 2 of aggravated assault, which is a 1-year misdemeanor with a Killebrew agreement that there will be no upfront jail. File number 24-21938FH, 24-21939FH, and 25-22158FH will be dismissed at the time of sentencing. So let's see here. All right, and it is signed by Mr. Sneed, Mr. Smith, and Mr. Wolfeis. So Mr. Wolfeis, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, can you move that microphone a little bit? And then Mr. Wolfeis, can you repeat that a little bit louder?
Yes, I do.
All right, excellent. So Mr. Wolfeis, you have heard the statement of your attorney, the prosecuting attorney, and myself reading off the plea agreement. Is it your intention to plead no contest on file number 24-21934FH to an added count of aggravated assault? Say it loud.
Yes.
All right, are you satisfied with your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes.
And neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court other than no upfront jail. Is that correct, Mr. Smith?
It is.
Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is that correct as far as you're aware, Mr. Wolfeis?
Yes.
All right. If a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you'll be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be present or presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that, Mr. Wolfeis?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No.
How do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about October 3rd of 2023 in the city of Tecumseh in the county of Lenawee, that you did commit the offense on the amended information count 2 aggravated assault? You can say not guilty or no contest.
No contest.
Okay. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead no contest to this charge?
No.
Do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand if I accept this plea, you're going to give up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed on the record during the hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? So I've gone through your rights. So it's just saying basically you can't come back later and say we promised you or threatened you something.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, all right. Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead no contest? Mr. Smith
No, Judge.
and Mr. Sneed?
No, Your Honor.
All right, in terms of fines, costs, length of probation, has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimated what your sentence will be?
No.
Okay. Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, or no contest, I mean.
Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, so are you going to place factual basis on the record?
I will, Judge. Just for the record, the reason for the no contest plea is possible civil liability.
Hold on.
So we have that.
It's okay, it's okay.
The other thing that I think is abundantly clear but wasn't placed on the record is that the top count in this case is going to be dismissed as part of the plea agreement.
Yes,
Everybody understands that. It's for the purposes of my client.
okay.
Judge, I'm referring to a Tecumseh City Police Department report regarding an incident that occurred on October 3rd, 2024. City of Tecumseh, County of Lenawee, State of Michigan, indicates that on that date that my client and the victim, Ken Teagarden, got into a verbal exchange, something to do with scrap metal. It turned into a dialogue. Later on, it was indicated that by Mr. Teagarden that he was in the middle of the road when Stephen backed into his driveway and drove directly at him. That would be the substance of the charge, Your Honor.
So he was in a vehicle, backed up in a threatening manner?
He backed up into his driveway and then drove toward directly at the victim.
Okay. Mr. Sneed, anything to add to that?
That's accurate. I just want to clarify the date was October 23rd of 2023 rather than 2024.
So I have October 3rd of 23 in my felony information. So when you
Yeah.
amend the information,
I would stipulate to the October 3rd, 2023, Your Honor.
so is it October
Right.
3rd or 20? Oh, I thought you said 23rd. I'm sorry. All right, so
Actually
based,
did, Your Honor, just to
Okay.
make you know that you're sharp this morning.
I'm on a roll this morning. All right, so based on the facts placed on the record and from the information contained in the police report as stated by Mr. Smith, the court finds beyond a reasonable doubt that on October 3rd of 2023 in the city of Tecumseh in the county of Lenawee, the defendant did commit the offense of aggravated assault by driving towards the victim in this matter in a way that would be deemed assaultive or put the victim in fear of an assault. And therefore the court accepts the no contest plea. So Mr. Sneed, has the court complied with the MCR 6.302 B, C, and D?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Smith, has the court complied?
Absolutely, Judge.
All right, I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them other than the Killebrew agreement that was placed on the record. I'm going to refer this matter, so Mr. Wolfeis, this is a misdemeanor, so it's going to be referred down to the district court probation department, okay?
Okay,
So not tomorrow, but a week from tomorrow, so it would be Thursday, April 24. I need you to report to district court probation between 8 and 10 and ask to see Mike McCarron.
What was that name, Judge?
Mike McCarron.
is there any way I can report today? I don't drive.
So,
I'm battling epilepsy. I can't get my license for a couple more months.
all right,
so
Miss Adams.
Otherwise, I'm riding a bike everywhere.
Okay, hold on. So we usually need to get the file or the plea agreement form. Miss Adams, do you think we could take this file down to Mr. McCarron today? And maybe if he's here, you could see Mr. Wolfeis?
I'll check.
Okay. I don't know if, you know, what his schedule is other than that, but we'll try, okay? Mr. Smith, I have May 29th available for sentencing at 8:15 because your client's not facing jail. You can do that via Zoom. That might help Mr. Wolfeis if he's not able to get here. Mr. Wolfeis, do you want to appear in person or via Zoom?
Zoom would be much easier, please.
All right. Is that all right with you, Mr. Smith?
Absolutely, Judge.
All right. So we'll set this for May 29 at 8:15 in the morning for sentencing via Zoom. And all right, and Mr. Wolfeis, when you meet with Mr. McCarron, be truthful with them about your background, the events that, or no, you don't have to be truthful about the events that occurred because you pled no contest. But just be truthful with them about your background. You don't have to make a statement about the events that occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Because you pled no contest. And then we will send a copy of this to Mr. Smith, get a hold of Mr. Smith about a week before sentencing and he'll review it with you. And then you guys can Zoom in on May 29 at 8:15 in the morning. So if you want to have a seat for just a minute, we'll find out if Mr. McCarron, yeah.
Mr. McCarron's down there. He's aware. I'm sending it to him right now.
Okay, do you want me to send the file down or what do I need? Anything
No,
from the file?
I just email him the paperwork. We're all set.
Okay, so go down to district court probation and ask for Mike McCarron.
Thank you very much
All right.
for the
Thank
accommodation.
you, Mr. Smith.
Yes,
Good to
have a
see you in
wonderful day.
person.
Yes, good to be here.